this video, I will show you the only way that you can currently delete your TapTap Send account. So to do this, simply going to open up the TapTap Send app and go to Account in the bottom right. Now from there, usually you will be able to click on your account and then delete account, but TapTap Send doesn't offer this as an option. Instead, you will need to click Support, and from there click Contact Support. Now usually I'll just use email, so that's what I would recommend. And then from there just say, hi, I want to delete my account. Just send this, and then they will get back to you, and they will probably need to confirm if you actually want to delete it. And then just go and say, yes, I want to delete my account, and then they will delete it for you. As you can see in their support, if you go to how can I close my account, if you would like to close your TapTap Send account, please contact our team for support. So that's what you need to do. Just mention you want to delete your account, and then they will help you with that. So now you know how to delete your TapTap Send account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.